Hello, my friends, and welcome to Words of Wisdom Wednesday. Kathy Weaver, and I am part of the fan club for Delinda Lane and the Fun, Fearless Female global community of Christian women. And yep, it is Wednesday again. I thought today we could super duper 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 have some fun. When is the last time you created an acrostic? What did she say? When is the last time you created an acrostic? Now, for me, it is basically a word puzzle. I don't know if you know this, but one of my favorite things in the whole world to do is network. And so networking is one of my favorite things in the world. So let me see if I can get this up here for you so you can find out what this particular part is all about. Now, if you go ahead and look it up, an acrostic is literally, like I said, a word puzzle. For me, I actually created this in maybe both of my books on networking, but certainly for the most recent. And I wanted to be able to have, again, an opportunity for something fun. So if you have created an acrostic and you'd be willing to share it, please put it on the comment section of this video on Delinda's page. Fun, Fearless Female Global Community of Christian Women. If you haven't created an acrostic yet, basically, I put my main word right down the middle of a page, and then I came up with different words that would fit. So let's just take a look at networking, okay? Once again, that is one of my favorite things in the whole world to do. N is for network before you need to. E, in this case, don't be a swooper. Again, networking on steroids PQ is where this came from. If you haven't read it yet, it's actually on my YouTube channel playlist for free. And then what about T? Get a tribe and love them hard. What about W? Now, on this one, of course, play on words, I cheated. What's in your networking toolbox? Okay, author privilege. You can do whatever you want with your acrostic, but be creative. Think of something fun to do, especially if you run networking groups all the time. Think of something that would be different that they could do. What's your favorite word when it comes to networking? What's your favorite word when it comes to Kangen water? What's your favorite word? Do it for any group that you're actually in. And the cool part for me is as soon as people turn on those creative juices, it really, it's infectious. It really, seriously, it's infectious. Okay, what is the O for? Follow up within 48 hours. Okay, that's a fair amount of time. What about the R? What does your profile say about you? You see how this works? You just have the word that you love, and then think about topics that fit and where that letter of the word, that piece of the word that you're on right now, where does it fit? All right, what about K? Always take a guest with you. Social media, am I doing it well? N, change up where you sit each time. We've talked about that before when we had in-person meetings. If you're always in the very same place, even if it's a stand-up meeting, you always stand in that corner. You always stand by the coffee bar. You always stand by the door. You always stand by the other door. Change it up a little. It changes the energy in the room. I love that piece. And then, of course, post photographs, that's the G, of your event. So you see what I mean? I just wanted to share about an acrostic. It's a fun thing to have. It's a cool logo to have. It's a cool post to have. Sometimes people remember the puzzle, the piece, the game more than they remember the event. So please consider that. All right. You're teaching people about Kangen water and technology and ionization and electrolysis, blah, blah, blah. They're not listening to that. But if all of a sudden you did an acrostic on Kangen water, alkaline water, miracles with water, whatever you do, it really changes the flavor of your event. So think about, if you will, I challenge you. How about that? I challenge you to create an acrostic. Make it fun, make it exciting. What's the topic? Let's think of an acrostic for Mother's Day. Let's think of an acrostic for Father's Day. Let's think of an acrostic for Delinda's WOW conference that's coming up in August. Make it fun. That's why I love networking so much, I'm sure, because it's fun. And quite frankly, most of the events I attend are never the same twice in a row. Yep, sometimes I create that, maybe, but the bigger issue is make it fun. Okay, so I challenge you. Let's see what your acrostic looks like. And I will post mine in the comment section of Words of Wisdom Wednesday. I'm Kathy Weaver. Thank you for joining me again today and certainly every Wednesday. And I love being part of the fan club for Delinda Lane and the fun, fearless female global community of Christian women. Have a great day. Happy acrosticing. I wonder if that's a word.